So, would you say that any part of what you're doing is scary? And I say that because
Ooh.
in our generation of dream chasers and lifestyle curators,
Mm-hmm.
we're kind of like creating our own titles and job
Yes.
descriptions on the fly.
Yep.
So, do you ever at all think about where your journey is leading you, or are you pretty much just taking it day by day?
Oh my goodness. Fear comes up for me often, and I recognize it as that. I recognize it as false evidence appearing real, and I, accept it as false evidence, and I trust my path. I trust that how I'm being guided is just how I need to live my life at this point, because I feel the most liberated, even though I'm scared, even though fear comes up, even though imposter syndrome, is a thing and comes up in all of these things. I feel like I have no other choice but to follow this path. I don't see any other paths for me.
Sure.
You feel me? Like, this is what I have to do. So I just have to work through the fear. And then I've gotten to this point now in my journey where I, as an alchemist, am able to transmute the energy of fear, because all energy is usable energy. So we take that energy of fear and we transmute it and use it as fuel on the journey that propels me forward. So it's like failing forward, falling forward, all these things. I'm transmuting the fear and using that energy as fuel to propel me forward into my dreams. Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I
Thanks.
should explain my podcast better than me. Yeah. Like, come on, bro. Kim, I might as well just take the mic. Why am I even here?
We need you. Thank you for providing this platform for creators to express themselves fully. This is
For sure.
beautiful.